Hey everyone, this is Eric. I wanted to say thank you so much for joining.
In this short video, I will show a few pictures of a meal I made. It was the first time I was using a ground beef substitute. These are some of the images from the bag it came in. To be perfectly honest, the food ended up being far better than I thought. It looked amazing and it was absolutely delicious. Here is a zoomed-in moving image from the nutritional facts section printed on the backside label. While the patty was cooking on low to medium heat, I cut some scallions, a Roma tomato, a jalapeno, and placed slices of cheese on the plate. Next, once I felt as though the patty was cooked, I placed the scallions, jalapenos, and cheese on top of the patty, carefully watching the cheese melt. Here's an image midway through the process. And here is the final picture. The food had flavor, taste, and the extra additions gave it a gentle kick. It ended up being surprisingly better than what I expected since it was my first time not cooking with 100% grass-fed, 4% lean ground beef.
Thank you so much for helping this channel grow. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. Thank you so much once again for watching.